There are three hacks which some of my students have followed before and they are right now into the medical colleges. Extremely important. Guys, see, it is not only about academics. It is not only about you are studying a chapter, you are going in a random or a messy way. There are certain things which a NEET aspirant must follow so that the journey becomes extremely smooth. So, my dear friends, in this particular video, I'll be giving you the three golden hacks, which is going to help you to score maximum. I would score 700 plus. Extremely important because I have seen in my entire career student lag in these points due to which they fail in the NEET exam. So let's dive into this particular video. Now, if I say over here, what are those, we say, three hacks which will help us to score 700 plus in our upcoming NEET 2026 examination. Now, my dear friends, we say, is it possible to score 700 plus from here on if I start right now? I would say definitely yes, we have got 10 months. 10 months is more than sufficient. I have seen students who have changed the entire game in just few months. We have got approximately 1 year left. The first hack that I would tell you over here, that is target-based study. See, I have seen students who are going in a random or a messy way, keep on studying every single day, every single night, but at the end moment, they get zero results, they get no results. So you have to make a target-based study. What does target-based study mean? Let's suppose you are reading. Okay, we have reading as well as we have what we are supposed to do, reading as well as question practice. You have to make a proper target that I have to finish these 2 lectures by today. I have to do the NCERT reading by today. I have to do the revision of this portion, that portion. Okay, I have to finish 2 chapters in 8 hours. This is what we call the target-based study. Okay, and target-based study is extremely important. Like when we start our marathons, we initially make a proper target. I have to finish this marathon in 8 hours. I have to finish the marathon in 9 hours. Okay, so that is what we call the target-based study. If you go in a random way, if you go in a messy way, I would say you will land nowhere. You will be able to achieve, I would say, nothing. You will have the zero results. Try this once. Make a target. Basically, when you start studying in the initial step, in the initial stage, or in the morning itself, make a to-do list. I have to finish this, and make it proper target. Okay. Similarly, when it comes to the question practice, I'll have to follow this module. I have to follow these questions. Okay. So question banks or PYQs. Okay. So we say this question bank, I'm supposed to, these many number of questions I'm supposed to solve in 1.5 hours. This is what we call the target-based study. So what does it give you? Target-based study is going to give you it will increase your productivity. You follow it. Okay. And after this, you are going to get the good results. Trust me on that. Then, my dear friends, we say hack number 2. What is that? That is self-reliance. What is self-reliance? I would say, my dear friends, don't rely on, we say others too much. When it comes to, let's suppose I'm teaching you guys in a particular batch. I'm sending a PDF to you guys. Don't rely on that PDF. Sir, now I'll get the PDF later on. I don't have to make the self notes. Okay. Completely you are relying on the teacher. Completely on modules, completely on books. No. Instead, I would say, focus on making the self notes. Okay. Because at the end moment, when you are supposed to revise a chapter in just 5 minutes, self notes will help you at that point of time. Make a proper timetable from your end. Make a proper revision strategy from your end. If you're studying anything for the entire day, how you guys are supposed to revise whatever you have studied for the complete day, Okay. And we say, make a proper formula sheet, and different problems have different personal techniques. Use those techniques. Okay. Don't rely on others. I'll follow the technique of that particular person. No, make a proper technique of your own, which is going to help you only. Okay. How you can make the graphs, how you can make the figures, how you can make the charts, how you can make the formula sheets. Okay, that is what we call the self-reliance. Self-reliance is extremely important. Okay, the more self-reliant you are, more you have the chances of succeeding. Okay, so if you are more self-reliant, if you completely rely on yourself, then you have more chance of succeeding. This is very important. Okay, then my dear friends, you have got the hack number 3. That is performance tracking and analysis. Whatever you are studying, like you are studying a lecture, NCERT reading plus question, DPP modules, PYQs, tests, you have to keep a track record of all of this. Okay, like my dear friends, What does track record mean? Track record means you have to keep your eye on what are your strong areas, what are your time consuming areas, which are your weak areas. So you have to figure that out. You have to keep the track of all of that. Okay, have you done this? Have you done the analysis of the question paper? Why are you lagging? Let's suppose you are giving the exam. Why are you lagging in certain portion? Why are you getting less marks in certain portion? You have to keep the track record of each and every single thing. Make sure you do this also. Okay, and like a revisions, question practice tests, after that analysis is extremely important. Okay, so we say these are the important 3 hacks which I would want you guys to focus on. The hack number 3 is performance tracking and analysis. Properly keep track record of your preparation. Whatever you have done, you have to keep the track record of that, because I have seen students who have followed these, they were getting the good results. Make sure you follow this hack number 3, track record, self-reliance, focus on self-reliance. Okay, make proper notes on your, don't rely on the teacher, modules or the books completely. Okay, target-based study, extremely important. Okay, so my dear friends, these were the points which I wanted to share with you in this particular video. And most importantly, we have recently launched the Phoenix 2.0 batch. If you have not joined, we'll be starting the classes from 30th onwards. Okay, if you have not joined the batch as of now, I would want you guys to join it as soon as possible. Do not miss out any of the live classes out there, because this time we are coming up with the extremely, we say, a high level, I would say level up content. All the problem patterns, multi-question tactics, each and everything will be discussed in this particular video. So see you guys very soon. Thank you so much. Take care.